Manifestation is easy when you apply this one technique that can help you manifest anything you want. Yes, I know there is the 3-6-9 method, the writing and repeating affirmations out there, but honestly, by easy, I mean it. It will be much easier for you to manifest once you understand and start using this single technique instantly. More importantly, it turns out that not a lot of people know it, since they were misled, unfortunately, to believe that manifestation is outside of them. So they keep searching every day to manifest their desires using a variety of techniques. We've all been there. We've tried affirmations, visualizations, and vision boards, but somehow our desires still get stuck and seem elusive. We've read the books, searched on YouTube, and joined online communities, but despite all that, we just can't seem to manifest what we want. It's frustrating, I know. It's demotivating. And from this state of being, most people start to wonder if manifestation is just a scam or if they are missing some steps or doing something wrong. The problem is, most of us have been going about manifestation the wrong way. We misunderstood what manifestation is, so we try to force our desires into existence through sheer willpower or by repeating affirmations like mantras without ever really connecting with the essence of what we want. What does that even mean? Well, it means manifestation is not something outside of you. We've been misinformed about it. Manifestation is a state of being where you are no longer emotionally dependent on seeing your reality change. I know you might be asking, how do I do that then? Well, it's simple and easy once you understand it. First, you've got to understand that manifestation is not a magic solution. It requires work. So what's the solution? What do I have to do then? How can we break free from this cycle of struggle and frustration and start manifesting our desires with ease? The answer lies in a single technique that I'm about to share with you, a technique that has the power to transform your manifestation process forever, starting today. Imagine you're holding a magnet in your hand and you're trying to attract a paperclip. If the magnet is facing the wrong way, the paperclip will simply fall away, no matter how hard you try to attract it. But if the magnet is facing the right way, the paperclip will be drawn to it effortlessly without any struggle or resistance. That's what the technique I'm talking about does. It's called the inner alignment technique, and it's ridiculously simple, yet incredibly powerful. Essentially, it involves aligning your inner energy with what you want to manifest so that your desires can flow easily and effortlessly into your life. It's not about forcing, pushing, or trying to control. It's about allowing, surrendering, and receiving. Let me give you an example. Let's say you want to manifest a new job or career opportunity. Using the inner alignment technique, you would focus on aligning your inner energy with the feeling of success and fulfillment. You would concentrate on cultivating self-confidence, self-worth, and a sense of capability so that you can attract opportunities that resonate with that energy. It's not about controlling or forcing external circumstances. It's about becoming the kind of person who naturally attracts job offers and professional growth into their life. The key insight here is that manifestation is not about getting what you want. It's about becoming the person who already has what you want. When you align your inner energy with your desires, you become a magnet for them, and they start to flow easily and effortlessly into your life. This technique has been a game changer for a lot of people who knew it and used it, and I know it can be for you too. It simplifies the manifestation process and helps you achieve your desires with ease. It's not about trying harder or doing more. It's about doing less and allowing more. It's about surrendering, trusting, and receiving rather than pushing, forcing, and trying to control. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Have you ever tried the inner alignment technique? Or do you have any questions about how to apply it in your life? And if you want to learn more about manifestation, be sure to check out my next video, where I'll be sharing a step-by-step guide on how to manifest your desired self starting today.